Brunette Wig Place. I am Lisa, and today I am bringing you a review for Wig Studio One. Just a reminder, Wig Studio One has a Facebook group called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We would love for you to come over and join the wig chat there in the support group. And they also have a coupon code for 30% off of most of their brands, and that coupon code is Beautifulyou. So today I am wearing a Jon Renau wig. This is Blair, and she is from the Oh So Light collection, and she is just a super cute little bob with a bit of a bang, a short bang, and she is an open cap or a basic cap. So really great price point on this wig as well. So let me do a turn and we will look at her from all the sides, and then we will start talking about all of her specs. So here's the front, here's that bang a little bit closer. Really cute. I just have it swept across my forehead because that's how I like a bang, but you could, there's bang on both sides here, so you could put it, you know, all the way across your forehead. You might have to trim it just a bit. Really, really cute. So here is my right side. The back. Cute in the back. Left side. And back to the front. So very classic bob cut here, you know, just I wore my hair like this for years, super familiar with a classic bob. I love the density on this piece. It is very low density, super comfortable. This open cap is actually designed to keep your scalp cool, and it's just very, very comfortable, soft on the inside, just really, really easy wig, throw and go type wig, but very cute, very chic. So, and I'll show you a little styling at the end of the video. So let's get into her measurements. As far as this bang is 3.5 inches. And you know, some of this layer right behind the bangs kind of wants to come down. So that might be something that you have to kind of snip those hairs off if they just keep flopping in your face. But I'm finding it's not too bad. Another thing that might help with that, especially if you want to do a side swept bang, is maybe a little, you know, synthetic safe hairspray, just a little spritz there. But your bang is also over here on this side. So I do want to show you that bang. 3.5 inch, see, this is what I'm talking about. There's a little bit of hair that wants to come down, but that's pretty typical of a wig with bangs. That always seems to happen. So, but as you can see, you can get complete forehead coverage if you like that type of a bang, or what I've done is just kind of parted the bangs there, swept this bang over to the side and swept this one over here. So you have those options however you want to wear those bangs. Okay, from the crown, she is 10 inches. She is 6.75 on the sides, and her nape back here is 2.5. So just, you know, doesn't even go to my shoulders. Great length, should wear really well with these synthetic fibers. They won't be rubbing on a lot of, you know, sweaters and collars and tops and all that, so scarves and such. So really, really great length, and great length for the summer as well. So as far as her cap construction, like I said, she is a basic or open cap, and I'll show you why they call it an open cap when we look at the inside of the cap. So, you know, she doesn't have any monofilament in her at all. So, you know, that you've got a little bit of permatease here that I can feel with my finger at the where that parting space is, but it's not bad. I mean, it does not look bad to the eye. I'll try to get that to where you can see it well on camera. With a dark color, it's kind of harder to see, but I'm really pleased with the appearance, you know, or actually with the appearance of no permatease, the non-appearance of permatease there, because sometimes you can get some little fibers that really stick up there, and I'm not seeing that. This, like I said, this is a low density piece, so really, really natural, and just really, really cute. So the color on this one is, I don't think I mentioned the color, is 6. It is just a straight 6, which they call Fudgesicle, and that is described as just a natural medium brown. I would say it is a medium brown, kind of moving towards a dark brown. So dark to medium, but not as dark. There is a 4, and there is a 2, and there is a 1B that is below this, so it definitely can get darker. So, you know, medium, that's why I would say dark medium brown is what my eye is seeing. So really, really pretty color, and I'll take her outside in a minute. We can look at it outside. You'll get a better idea of the color, and you can also see that cap at the top better. So let me pop her off. We'll look at the inside. Okay, so this is why they call it an open cap. Now it's a dark cap, but you can see there's just open wefting right there. Not open, it's a tighter open wefting than what you have in the rest of the wig, but it still is open there. There's only closed lace down the middle and going back to, you know, this crown area. And the rest of it, they have these open areas here on the side, and that is just to provide ventilation, which I think is great. That's one of the #1 complaints I hear from women with wigs is, this thing is making my head so hot. So hopefully that will eliminate that. So she's got, again, open ear tabs, which is going along with this, these traits of wanting to keep the cap cool. So open wefting in the cap. She has Velcro adjusters, which are awesome. You know, you find your spot on those, you leave it right there. She's got a soft, you know, velvet strip back here at the nape. Again, open ear tab, good size piece of metal in that ear tab, very nice. And then there is also felt up here that's gonna sit right here on your forehead, which is so comfortable. Okay, so let me pop her back on. I will show you that top of the cap with it. Now, see what I'm talking about? It's not bad. I mean, I really don't see that permatease very much at all. And since I'm so close to the camera, it's lightening up a little bit, but it makes it a little bit easier to see. So, really, really cute. And you'll see when I pop her back on, she's just super easy. You pop her on, get her adjusted, get your bangs where you want them to go, and she is good to go. I will show you her ear tabs. Her ear tabs are very nice as well. I've got great coverage here, you know, along the side of my face. She's got a good piece of metal in there. They're staying in place great. So one cute way to wear her is just have her tucked behind your ears. She looks really cute like that. Okay, so let's take this shade #6 outside and we will look at it in the next. Okay, so I am outside with Blair by Jon Renau in this 6 color Fudgesicle. So I'm under, you know, the covered part of the patio right now. And we will move out here into the sun. And you can see that top, see what I'm talking about? It's not really, you know, I'm really pleased with the way the top looks. Super cute little bob. Okay, so we are back inside with Blair by Jon Renau in the color 6. And I have gone ahead and inserted a headband because this is, to me, one of the cutest styles that I have found with her, is just to put that headband in and then just let those bangs cover the forehead. I really think, I love the way it looks. It's really, really cute. And this is also a great way, again, for you to see those ear tabs. I can also show you my glasses, you know, and you'll be able to see them quite well. But, you know, the glasses, of course, are hitting that headband, but they work great with these ear tabs. The ear tabs are thin. They're super easy to just get on and off, no problem. So, but she's really, really cute with the headband. She can also be pulled back. Now these bangs, they're not really gonna lend themselves to just pushing all the way out of the way. I think if you did that, you're gonna get, you know, I just don't think they're long enough, you know, they're not really long enough to clip back. So you're gonna be dedicated to a bang on this piece. That's something to note, you know. Sometimes if you have a longer bang, you're not so dedicated to the bang, you know, but for this particular piece, I'm not really seeing great styling options with just pushing the bang out of the way completely. But you can pull back just these sides and put in a little claw clip back here. And then I always think that looks super cute with wigs because you kind of get like a bump and it just turns out super cute. So you can do that, and then you have, you know, I love the way the bangs want to feather down. A little bit of this layer might want to come down, which looks, you know, just looks very pretty, very chic. So really, really cute. And then she's really cute just tucked behind the ears too, which I love a wig that I can tuck behind the ears, and I know a lot of you are also fellow ear tuckers. So I used to tuck my bio hair by my ears too, so it's just a very natural thing for me. But she looks really cute like that too. So cute styling options. Let me see if we can you could also just stick a headband in, you know, and that's cute too. So Very cute little wig. So again, this is Blair by Jon Renau in the color 6. Really cute little open cap, basic cap bob. There will be information for purchasing Blair below from Wig Studio One. I want to thank Wig Studio One for sending me this piece to review for you today. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.